So if you've only got a few sticks of colour, now we talk about this in watercolour and acrylics and oil, the split primaries. So there's my golden yellow, lemon yellow, then we go around into the reds, we go fire engine red, and then we go a magenta sort of colour, and then we go for blues, we go French ultramarine, Powell, that's a beautiful colour, and then we go the phthalo-y sort of blue, the turquoisey sort of blue. So that's the 6 minimum sticks that you would need. You'd also want to have a pure white, a really nice soft white, a white that's so soft you can draw it on your hand and leave a bright mark like that. It's got to be a really soft one. And if you've got some sort of strong dark, like instead of that purple, you could go for a really strong dark purple. I've run out of them. We've used them all up. Flinders Blue Violet Deep colour is my favourite dark instead of using black. But you can also use charcoal. So if you just want to use a bit of a charcoal stick, if you don't mind putting black into your paintings, that's actually a nice shadowy colour. So with these 6 colours, you can mix anything that you want. So you only need 8 sticks. You don't need all of those hundreds of sticks if you don't mind doing mixing. In the pastel lessons, I show you 3 different techniques for mixing. You can either just dust over. So here's the purpley sort of red, and there's the blue, warm blue. And then when you mix them, you just dust it over the top. You can also do a second layer. So that's the sparkly method. You can also do it with blending with your finger. Just layer over and then keep blending. So that's a soft blending method. And you can also do cross hatching, where you pick up and use it like a pencil and use the sharp corner of the stick. So you'll see that in the pastel lesson if you haven't seen it already. And then cross hatch over the top, draw, and it starts to look like purple. So that's 3 different methods of blending.